Nothing has been quietly working on the Nothing Phone 3, a follow-up to its innovative predecessors. Originally anticipated for release last year, the handset has faced delays to allow for the integration of advanced AI features, aimed at delivering a more refined user experience and maintaining competitiveness in the fast-evolving smartphone market. Recent rumors suggest the launch is imminent, with speculation around its design and specifications gaining traction. The Nothing Phone 3 is likely to retain the brand's signature glyph black, featuring LED light strips that create a glowing effect at night, particularly during calls or notifications. The handset is expected to boast a 6.67-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, promising vivid visuals and smooth performance. The device may run on Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor or the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset of 2024. It's expected to offer up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring powerful multitasking capabilities and ample storage. On the software side, the Nothing Phone 3 will debut with Nothing OS 3.0, featuring cutting-edge AI capabilities for an enhanced user experience. The phone's anticipated to include a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt fast charging, enabling quicker and more efficient charging. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch in India in early 2025 with an estimated price of 47,999 rupees. This eagerly awaited handset is set to continue the brand's tradition of innovation and sleek design, offering users a blend of aesthetics and performance.